Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will resolve one particular error, that is no module name supervision. So I'm trying to execute that particular project, garbage direction using YOLO v11. I'm getting that particular error. So let's run the main file, open in terminal here, and then write python space main.py. Then hit enter. Okay, so that particular error, module not found error, no module name supervision. So first I have to check that Python is installed or not in that system. I'm writing environment variable and just click on the environment variable, double click on the path. See, Python 3.10 is already installed and script location already added in the environment variable. So let's just check out. Just copy that location and click on OK and OK. Now minimize here and paste the location here. Enter. 3.10 is already installed and location also added of script folder and Python 3.10 in the environment variable. So let's back. Now Python is already installed. So we don't worry about the Python. Now we have to install the library version. So just write pip install supervision, then enter. So we're downloading the supervision, downloading the matplotlib with that particular version. Okay, now supervision downloaded. This is the error. You can solve that error by installing that particular command, pip install supervision. Now we can check the version. So just write pip show supervision, then press enter. We can check the version 0.27.0. Okay, now supervision module is already installed. Now the error solved. This is the complete video and we have resolved that particular error. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you got any error in that particular library version or anything in the code, so let me know in the comment section. And if you're searching at project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us on WhatsApp. I'll provide the contact link in description. We are developing projects in multiple domains like machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, web development, app development. Let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.